Welcome back to Beautyistic. Have you ever wondered if there's a way to tackle multiple signs of aging at once without piling on product after product? Well, today we're looking at an anti-aging duo that promises to hydrate, firm, and brighten your skin. Sounds like the holy grail, right? Let's dive into L'Oreal Paris Revitalift 1.5% pure hyaluronic acid face serum and triple power anti-aging face moisturizer. These two skincare staples claim to do it all, so do they? Let's see. First up, the 1.5% pure hyaluronic acid face serum. Now, hyaluronic acid is a skincare superstar known for its ability to plump and hydrate skin. But what sets this one apart is the addition of vitamin C. Together, they work to give your skin that instant hydration and dewy glow. The formula is fragrance-free, paraben-free, and free of mineral oils, which means it's gentle and won't clog your pores. Plus, it's suitable for all skin tones, which is always a win in my book. This serum's promise? To instantly moisturize your skin, visibly plump it, and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. You'll feel that immediate moisture hit your skin, leaving it soft, radiant, and refreshed. I noticed that my skin felt more elastic almost immediately, and with consistent use, my skin has been looking visibly more radiant and youthful. If you're dealing with dryness, this product is a game changer. It provides instant relief and long-term results. Now onto the triple power anti-aging face moisturizer. This product takes a more targeted approach with pro-retinol, hyaluronic acid, and vitamin C all packed into one jar. These three ingredients are known for their ability to reduce wrinkles, firm contours, and brighten skin. After just 1 week of use, I noticed smoother skin and a more even skin tone. The best part? It's versatile. Use it day or night for your face and neck, making it a seamless addition to your routine. Both products are designed to work together, and I can definitely say they complement each other well. The serum boosts hydration and plumps the skin, while the moisturizer locks everything in, offering anti-aging benefits that are really hard to ignore. Now let's talk pros and cons. Starting with the pros. The serum has a lightweight, fast-absorbing texture that doesn't leave any greasy residue behind. It's also packed with hydration, and who doesn't love that glow-up? The moisturizer is rich but still absorbs quickly, making it great for both day and night. It leaves skin feeling firm and nourished. Both products are fragrance-free and free from parabens, which is a huge plus for anyone with sensitive skin. On the flip side, while the products do provide visible results, I would have liked to see a little more emphasis on long-term skin health. The price point is also something to consider, as it may not be within everyone's budget. But when you factor in the effectiveness, it does feel like a worthwhile investment if you're targeting anti-aging concerns. Speaking of price, let's talk about value for money. At the cost of this set, you're getting two products that provide visible improvements in hydration, radiance, and firming. For the quality of ingredients and the overall results, I think it's a fair price. But if you're looking for more budget-friendly alternatives, there are hyaluronic acid serums and anti-aging moisturizers out there that perform similarly, but you might not get the same luxe feel. In terms of build quality, both the serum and moisturizer have sleek, functional packaging. The serum comes in a pump bottle, making it easy to dispense the right amount without wastage, and the moisturizer has a sturdy jar that gives you access to every last bit of product. Now, when it comes to customer support, I've had no issues with L'Oreal's customer service, and based on reviews, the brand has a good reputation for addressing concerns quickly. If you're on the hunt for alternatives, there are certainly other products that offer hyaluronic acid and vitamin C combos. Brands like The Ordinary and Neutrogena have similar formulations, but L'Oreal has a solid reputation for providing good quality, especially when it comes to anti-aging formulas. So, is the Revitalift duo worth it? If you're looking for a no-nonsense, effective anti-aging skincare duo that delivers on its promises, I'd say yes. These products are perfect for anyone wanting to boost hydration, reduce wrinkles, and brighten their complexion with an easy-to-use routine. If you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative, you might want to explore other hyaluronic acid-based serums and anti-aging moisturizers. But if you don't mind splurging a little for the quality, L'Oreal's Revitalift set won't disappoint. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and don't forget, if you've tried these products or have any anti-aging skincare favorites, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.